What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yo, I'm Pretty, aka Tay Imagine, and I'm back with a video. I got this. It is the bag for the registry for Target, obviously. You can see the logo. So this was absolutely free. Okay? Definitely was free. All you have to do in order to get this is go on Target.com, go to the baby registry, put a little bit of stuff on there, add it to the registry. Then you'll get like a little code, and then all you have to do is go to any Target. Luckily, mine had it in stock because some Targets don't, but mine did. So I got lucky. I showed them the barcode, they scan it, and you go on your little merry way. So this is pretty heavy too, so I'm excited to see what's inside. I don't know what's inside. I got it today, so we're gonna go through it together and see what we have in here. This is more heavier than the Amazon one. I think I'm gonna pretty much like it because I could see a little bit of like, let's just get into it. What I found is Huggies Natural Care Sensitive and Fragrance Free 16 wipes. My baby got her, but I don't even know if it's a girl or a boy, but I'm gonna say her because I want a girl. Got her first wipes, and my gender reveal is next week, so I get to know what I'm having. Then we have Triple Pace, Triple Protection, prevents and treats and soothes diaper rash. So before it starts, and restores and irritated skin, soothing relief for sensitive skin in this little bottle. And we have Grip Water, Mommy's Bliss, #1 selling brand, original, relieves occasional stomach discomfort from gas, colic, fussiness, and hiccups. And then it has like a little coupon on the back of it. So look, I have another Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment. I have Dr. Brown Anti-Colic Baby Bottle. And I did get some from Marshall's, because Marshall's has some of these in the big box. Got it for like $10. Marshall's got some good stuff. Padding for breastfeeding. I will be breastfeeding as well. Kind of scared about that, but yeah. And then we got some Aveeno Baby. I love Aveeno. This is wash and shampoo. And we have some water wipes, 99.9% water with a drop of fruit extract, and 10 comes inside. And then we have some Honest wipes, plant-based wipes, over 99% water, and 10 wipes come in here. And here, this is a good brand. We have bottle and dish soap. So it removes up to 50% of milk. And it also has a save $1 coupon on the back from Dapple Baby. I want to see how this works, cause then we have amazing is all I can say. That's what Chris says. Love your Palmer's Belly. So we got some Palmer's massage lotions for stretch marks. I would love for this. I don't have any stretch marks yet. So hopefully I don't get none, but definitely gonna try that out. And then we have some N-Wash Scent Booster for baby fresh scent. So the little thingies, you can hear it, that goes into the washer machine. Definitely want to try this out because, yeah, gotta wash my baby clothes. And it says, for say hello to a year of registry benefits, free welcome kit, a year of exclusive deals, 15% off store-wide with Target Circle, return registry returns, and yeah. Then we have Hydrate with the Dr. Number One recommend brand. Quickly replenishes fluids and electrolytes when you need it most. Helps relieve mild and moderate dehydration caused by occasional morning sickness. Available in a variety of flavors. See, if I would have known that when I would have my morning sickness, I didn't even really have it that much. I was just nauseous. I would have been taking this. It's a little sample of that, which is cool. Pedialyte from Mother. Boogie wipes, Central Saline nose wipes. And it has a coupon on the back for $1. We have Luxurious diapers, unisex, and it comes 2 in a pack. It says Feather Soft, 12-hour absorbency, pH balance liner, and it's for a 1 month-old, a 1 month old. And this is how it looks. Never heard of them. Millie Moon. Then we got some Huggies plant-based material. These are some diapers as well. I think we got some diapers. We have a Philips Event natural bottle. So comes a bottle. I think I'm gonna open this because I haven't been opening anything, and it's too early for me to be even washing bottles right now. But I'm like in a nesting mode. I don't know why. I'm just probably excited, but I thought it was the one with the it has the what's the name at the bottom, the passy, but it's not that one. So this is how this one looks. It goes up to 4 ounces, and I really like the top of it. It looks like a little nipple. I don't know why it smells like plastic, but I'm just weird. I'm so happy and excited. And then it comes with congratulations on here, pregnancy tracking app. That's cute. And there's a lot. This is some stuff from Philips. I got the little fat ones. But this one's better than the Amazon one overall. I would say that. So it's just a regular little Dr. Brown. This is also 4 ounces as well. Doesn't look like it, but it is. And I don't really like this nipple, but I like the Philips one. So we're gonna try it to see what bottle my baby. Let's review it. Well, we already did, but I'm gonna give it I'm gonna get it a 9 out of 10. Because maybe a 10 out of 10. Because it gave me diapers, it gave me some wipes I can try, and like some other little gadgets and gadgets, and some bottles, which Amazon did not give me at all. Like, I was really disappointed in Amazon. Like, I saw everybody else doing damn bottles and all other types of stuff like this bag, but did not get that. I would say I did like the swaddle from the Amazon and a little onesie, and that's probably it. But other than that, I really like this bag. I really like this bag. And to show you guys that this is actually free. You see them zeros on zeros on zeros? Yeah. So, really enjoyed that. And also, I believe like anybody could get these. You don't even have to be pregnant. Like, if I wanted to send my mom to go get me another one, she will go get me another one, or my baby daddy, or my boyfriend, whatever case may be, they will go get me another one. All they gotta do is put little things, free 99. It's not like you're paying for it. Like, you know, you just go into the store. and getting it, just like how I did. Period. And the more, the better. The free is free. Like, more free stuff, the better. But anyways, like I said, I did enjoy this bag, and this is a belly update. I knew you about to come in here. About it in this video. Thanks for watching, and that is all there is in my bag. I don't know what other people may have, but I'm pretty sure sometimes they have different things, but this is my bag. I got lucky with this one, and hopefully the girl picked it just for me, like, you know. But anyways, so yeah, that was the free Target baby registry. Go get you one, girl. Go get you one. And it's your girl Taya, and I'm out, and I'll see you guys in a couple weeks, maybe. Keep you guys updated, and love you guys. Peace.